Jammy, jammy, jam, jammy, jammy, jam, jammy, jammy, jam, jam. Hey guys, how you doing today? I hope everyone are doing good. Today, guys, we're gonna be doing unboxing. Unbox my new iPhone with me, okay? Okay, I got this from Kohl's, okay? The other day we went shopping, me and my friend. Kohl's have this, and they are doing like discount, and they have this headphone. As you can see, it was on sale. The original price was $34.99, and now it was on sale for 50% off. Now I got it for $17.49. That was a good deal, guys. Look at, you see the price is a Bluetooth headphone, okay, wireless. As you can see, that's the name right there. Let's unbox it together. Let me quickly open it. Who doesn't like a good deal? I love a good deal. I love discounts. Because I want to be doing like a reaction video, okay? This headphone will help me out. That's the main reason why I bought it, for my reaction videos. Ooh, I've opened it. Inside it comes with this, the voice. It comes with this one. Then this is the headphone here. And it comes with this, I think this plug USB charger. Look at it. I bought it half the price. Wow, it's so soft. And it comes with this. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Okay. Wow, come with this charger. I think you plug this one here just to charge it, okay, if you want to charge it. And this is the USB charger too. Okay, the manual. This is the manual, like manual Hollywood. Okay. Okay, this is the audio cable. Okay, inside the audio cable and the whatever. Yeah, I'll read it later. I'm just going to charge it after the video. Then let me show it to you guys. Wow, it looks good. I got my wireless headphone for my reaction video. Wow. Then when I'm done, I can just wear it like this, put it on your neck. If you don't like, if you don't want to put it down. Wow. It's so nice. I like it. And it's foldable. Oh, you can fold it also. Wow, this is nice. I like it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for unboxing with me my new headphone. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, okay? Bye guys. Bye bye. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye. Jammy, jammy, jam, jammy, jammy, jam, jammy, jammy, jam, jammy, jammy, jam. Bye guys.